Looking at 460s. Oh, we've already broke. I'm not taking that.
I did take a position myself.
Ah, yeah. You could miss me with that shit today.
That meta happened also.
That's what I did for break even, so I was not going to mess with that Tesla candle. I don't want to retest.
Miss me with that bullshit.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Ah, it was a decent. If you played 445, anybody played 445, it was valid. Yo, Nvidia though.
You have time for that?
Yeah, we got time. We could even stay on Tesla if we wanted to.
Where do you like Nvidia at?
Probably yesterday's high. Maybe at 187. Depends. Nvidia
I'm
paid.
surprised you didn't like this other stock, Frankie.
Oracle?
No.
Yo, Tesla, bro. The disrespect is insane.
What other stocks I have on my watch list are Oracle before?
I actually wrote down coin as well myself.
Well, that's not missing something that I'm even surprised about.
Just your father, Frankie.
I can't say that there,
Yeah, Nvidia's. No, Nvidia's dollars.
Alright, we got time right now to see what's going to react here. Apple's pushing as well. I'm still not interested until we hold 257.
Apple? Ooh. Wow, that is shaking, huh? Open at 255, by the time we get up there. I'm gonna wait on Apple. Because we broke 257 already by 60 cents that day. I could see why you guys are still interested at 257. I think for me, I'm gonna just wait for that hold
Nah.
that George mentioned last week above 257, and then we can play the continuation from there. I don't think I'll play the level alone, personally.
Yo, Roz said, who's still holding 460 Tesla calls?
No.
Hopefully he's just asking.
Hey,
Frankie,
market's coming back. I mean, market's actually pushing here.
Tesla's getting
Meta's still
fucked.
weak.
Oh, I'm so dumb. I had it going to 5 minutes. I'm like, I see.
Amazon. What's with Amazon?
George, you want to be interested on Meta? If the bear flags here?
No.
Or you don't? You just don't. It's cool.
No, I don't know yet.
Because it is still holding down. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, maybe.
If I were to play Meta, I would look at the 710. So I'm just looking for the quick bear flag. Should just be a quick touch and play for me.
You're there at.
I was thinking 717 and 30.
1730?
I didn't know we had a
Yeah.
Frenchie in the room.
Alright, let's see. Market's still pushing here. As long as this hold below 721, or at least opening price, I'm with it.
I honestly really like 718, but I think a break and hold below there would be perfect for that bear flag. So
Yeah.
I'm playing it safe for it.
Someone said, what stock we on right now? But he didn't put the K after the C. Yep. He's got to be located in New York. Is it free day? Yeah, sadly.
Unfortunately.
We got all the fucking herbs here today with us today. Leasing a Tesla. Just got a price here.
Here goes Meta. Oh my god. Ooh, that's a good bear flag right there. See?
That's nice.
Market's strong, Meta was showing weakness. It doesn't get much simpler than that. I mean, honestly.
Chris said 1K a day. I would switch over back to Tesla, guys. If you guys are done with that.
I have sold.
I'm about to sell here soon myself, so.
I think we still get 715 here. The market is pushing though. Now it's I guess it's a bigger level here. Might cut it here pretty quick. I did sell that.
I was gonna use 5 flat on the contract as my stop. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, I'll get out there with you.
I was in that super light just because it's meta, so. I'll hold them. What was my fill? I got filled at 525.
Guys, I'm looking at 470 calls on Tesla. It's getting going here. Obviously the market.
70?
470s?
Yeah. You could do 460s. I see, if I'm not mistaken, hold on. You said what?
Nothing.
Yeah, 470s have 3 times the volume of 460s. That's why I'm doing that. So. Okay. I'm probably still gonna play for. Okay. I'm in. I think this is gonna head over here. With or without the market. Obviously, I'm aiming for high of well, not high of morning, which was 446 and some change.
It was 446.14.
Yeah. And then you got to make a decision. Do you sell on the high of the morning if we get there? Or do you look for more there? So I'm going to base it off how we break. If you like how much you get paid. Look how much we're up here, guys. I'm up $5,000. Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's a stupid amount how much we're up.
Yo, this shit not even refreshing.
I sold right there. Holy.
Yeah. Nice, guys. Good trade to start off the morning.
2 bangers? Back to back.
Still going.
I'm still holding half here, Norm. What are you thinking?
I haven't sold shit. I actually just bought more. Nice. Oh my God. All right, guys. I'm gonna focus on selling some on the break here. Contracts for me actually slowed down, but we'll see. Market's falling and Tesla's holding up. I have no reason to sell till 448. For you guys are not good. So focus on trying to get out of this. My contracts are stuck.
Oh no, you're not alone. The 450s are moving really slow as well now.
I don't know what the fuck this is.
Oh, they're moving now.
I mean, now they just started. Oh my God, 448 coming in hot. Guys, getting ready to sell half here on the next high. Half sold.
Out.
Nice. 448 is the trend. Can you send them the 15-minute trend?
Yeah,
I got you.
Please.
Okay.
I can do it.
Thank you. All right, guys, I've sold half. I'm looking to sell the other half here soon. I'm up 11 grand.
Yo.
That's it right there, guys. You can see the trend that North's talking about. It's touching it right now.
Yeah.
De Niro, fuck that stock. We just spanked Tesla, bro. Anyways.
Which one? The video?
Apple.
Did it actually break down?
Wow. Yeah, it went actually crazy.
Yo, Tesla this is a 450 day, it looks like.
I think so, yeah. I'm with it.
Might be. I'm down with Scout 450.
Yo,
Maybe
this is
into that high
insane.
yesterday,
Not even getting
whatever
filled.
day that was. Right.
No. Oh, they
So
filled.
Monday.
There it goes.
449.
Should I? Yo, what do you think? I'm still in with the half, guys.
If you're thinking about 450, we're here. I don't know if you want to sell another. I don't know, bro. This is a lot of momentum here.
George, we don't
I am gonna scalp if it gives me a chance.
It pulled back.
Huh?
We don't tell another man when to sell.
I know, bro. That's why I said I don't know. I know that I'm.
Yo, actually, right there, the contracts were showing a different wave there, because at the beginning they weren't pushing and now they're kind of holding above that 360. So let's see what happens here. Whoa. All right.
The market is still red too, by the way.
Yeah,
not
it's down
green yet.
third.
Tesla's the only one that's green here now.
It is green
officially.
right now, but as far as what it closed at, it is still red.
Yeah. Tesla?
Huh?
Yeah.
I'm talking about NQ.
Oh, yeah. I mean Tesla. Tesla's actually green.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm.
So.
It needs to bounce off of here at 446. We don't want this much lower here.
Yo, this would be hilarious if they don't break 450 today, because they have everything. Tesla has everything in its favor today. So yeah, the next trade on Tesla would be around the high, basically. If we're gonna play 450, we're gonna play it around 449.60. Obviously, we'll signal that.
Okay, this is a good bounce here, dude. This is a good bounce.
And market's having a red candle.
Yeah, dude, I'm not sure why it slowed down the contract. Especially far off the money contracts, I can understand, but the 450s, I'm surprised those slowed down.
Those got stuck too.
Yeah, when it was stuck at around that 447 level and it kept grinding slowly, they just were not moving how they were moving at around.
What'd you do?
446.
You showed that.
Granted, it took out a high, the premium flip happened at 445, but regardless of that, the stock's just pushing straight up like that, but when it's still volatile, like the contract.
Look north.
What happened?
Even on a 40-cent break over that, I only sold for 4 cents higher on my second sell.
Yeah, I got 370 on the sell. I half. Probably should have sold everything there.
That was a sick play, bro. Hopefully everybody makes some money. Y'all put that in the profits chat.
Yeah, throw that in the profits chat.
Throw that shit in there. Technically, we're done early, bro.
I'm good, Moses. That's what I was going to respond to George. Are we? I mean, Tesla's still realistically, possible.
Nah, Tesla.
No. For the herbs, bro. The herbs should be done.
Oh, yeah, 100%, yeah.
No. If you're fucking.
If you're looking for more, you're just greedy.
Yeah, let me get let me get W's in the chat before we get another Tesla trade. But you guys gotta break the chat though until Discord goes down. W's, break it. Nah, that's not enough. It's not enough ass shaking in here. W's.
Kyle.
W's. Break the chat.
Alright, as far as setups go, the only ones I have left are obviously Tesla at 450, then that 451 high. Meta, I still like that if we come back down to 715 because that was a clean trade we had. I was just super light, so I was just holding.
Yeah, I didn't make much on that either.
Yeah, I was up. Let's see, I got put at 525. The contract's at 6 on that.
Yeah.
Tesla.
But I was
447.
in super light though, like I said, so I was being greedy because
I only made 530 on that.
I lost 900 on that. So
Oh, you didn't make you sold for a loss there?
yeah, I was in super light. I didn't get to get in with the position that I wanted.
Yo, Tesla.
I'm watching. Where would you look to?
449.50. Oh, how do you know I'm still in? Bro, I'm not fucking with the herbs chat today, so we not even gonna talk about that. 449.50 is a separate trade on Tesla.
I personally.
Man, I was thinking 449 if I get the right candle.
I mean,
I'll put
shit.
my plug in for 70 cents.
Actually, you know what? No, yes,
Yo.
it's Herb Day. I'm sorry. 70 cents with.
Bro, the chat, the Discord is so trash, bro. It's still loading messages. Alright, we just hit that fucking trend again.
Which contract am I gonna trade? I'll Tesla. I'll do the 460s on this one. 450s are too expensive.
Oh shit.
Alright, bro, come on.
Bro, my back. Pause.
Nah, but you don't gotta make that noise.
Oh.
Frankie, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I think I might just sell this shit and get back in when we signal. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do.
It's a green here.
That shit heard me.
Yeah.
I think that'll be the safest, just because I feel like market is in a spot where it wants to start pulling back.
Yeah. QQQ hasn't been the best place for a breakout on the bigger time frame here for Tesla, but if it wasn't for QQQ and this whole stupid market action, I think we would have been at like 460 on Tesla by today, Wednesday. Contracts extremely nicer versus before, because these 470 calls are at 360 and the peak, you have to remember, we're at 380 and we're $2 away on the stock. So at that point, if Tesla were to get there, you're looking at over $4 a contract. So they've figured out themselves here.
Yeah, Makai.
Paying $8 for a coffee is dumb. You're just broke. I don't know what to tell you. Why would I inconvenience myself and make a coffee in the morning? I pay $20 every morning for a coffee.
I have mine at 30 cents right now, but I think that's fine too, honestly.
Market's starting to die, bro.
Yeah, this is. I don't even know how Tesla is alive.
But I was gonna say, yeah, Tesla is holding up as of now.
I want to switch so bad to Meta because
See,
that'll be a clean break.
This is where my day.
I'm on it right now because I don't think we'll get Tesla here for.
Let me know if the Tesla starts getting close more. No.
Norstein, bro. I'm fucking Jewish now. Alright, yo, QQQ, what the fuck is this? See, this is where I start getting biased on Tesla, bro.
Oh, okay.
What, you call it meta?
I saw right here. Yeah, that's clean.
Make back the L, clean break with the market.
Well, you took an L on meta earlier?
Yeah. I said I was in super light, so I was just being greedy because I was.
Okay.
I was pulling you, pretty much.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. This is crazy. Market's crashing. Tesla's holding up.
Contracts did okay there on the 710s. But then again, I sold right away.
Yeah, I just going. These are at 660 now. It is what it is.
QQQ from 599 to 596, and Tesla's still green.
The gap on Meta's almost done too, guys. So the gap ends at 708.50. So I may just be done with Meta for a bit until we actually develop an actual setup. Don't get me wrong, the airplanes are sick, but most of these are mainly because of the gap we have.
I don't give a fuck. That's good.
Millie, yes, but for my own risk tolerance, I don't want to be the one to find out if it bounces off there, because the market could have bounced at any moment. So I was just being super safe. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. It just depends what kind of trader you are at that point.
Keeping things light, I've been sized down and I'm still hitting nice numbers here. 1800 for the day. Been going in with 5K positions.
I'll be honest, guys. I'm not keeping shit light if we get Tesla. Cause now you're like bringing the craziness here. Look at this. This is exactly what I want to see with Tesla. I don't even know if I can sell if we break 450. But I'm not going to tell you that. Guys, how about this? I will signal the entry and the stop loss if it were to hit. I am not signaling an exit on Tesla. I don't trust myself today to do that. So, y'all sell when comfortable if we get that trade at 449.50.
I was just about to mention that.
Yeah.
Off that original signal, it was stupid. I can't see the other word, but
Yeah.
like if you're holding, if you have a plan, go for it, right? Like come on. If you're holding just for the hell of it, you're just being greedy and you're a bad trader. So.
Yeah. Exactly.
Because that was, for me, on my contracts, like at the peak there, that was 20%. My contracts were more expensive, that's why it was only 20%.
You gonna play this? Oh shit. You're on demon mode today, huh?
What do you mean by that, Jeff?
It's still struggling with that 15 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm happy the entry we have to take is way above that. Obviously, it can still wick below. Don't get me wrong. It's a 15-minute trend, so the candle can still close below. But I'm happy that the entry would be way higher than what the trend is currently getting rejected at. All right, while I'm focused on Tesla, is there anything else going on? No Nvidia, right? Nvidia, no. Meta did make lows, so I did miss out on that a few times, but nothing like serious where I'm mad that I'm not focused on it.
I think both of those were quote-unquote good signals.
Which?
Signals. The two that I said on Meta.
Oh, yeah.
Where I told people where I was getting in on.
Yeah.
Not a literal signal, but I told you guys my entries and everything. That first one was crazy. I should have sold right there because I was keeping it simple.
It's funny.
Yeah, I would have made a little bit more, but I sold half and then sold the other half break even.
I don't know who was here for that late day QQQ trade yesterday, but I wish I was able to hold to 600. That was the final target. Regardless, it paid. That shit was sick yesterday.
They sold you even when you were in the money last time, right?
Hell yeah. It's even worse when it's in the money because
Yeah.
I think out the money you have a better chance of them not liquidating you.
Because there's a chance of them, if them not going into the money,
Yeah.
they'll just become worthless.
Exactly. They just care about themselves.
I would have been another good fair play on that, by the way. Like, these fair play.
I was watching it, bro, but
Yeah,
I'm done with
I
it
pulled
right now.
up here just looking at it.
That's like a $2 drop there on Meta, no?
Yeah, well, $1.50 right now. But how to be? Keeps going. Yeah. Yeah, these fair plays have been crazy all morning.
Makai, you ready or what?
I set my alerts for everything.
I'm actually
Is that another way to be ready?
we're gonna need you in a little bit.
For you, I always am. Come on.
Yo,
I
Maki,
barely have to do anything.
pause!
What?
That's crazy.
I was talking about watching the charts.
You know, think about it.
I know, but I know what Noah was trying to say.
Nah, y'all are, bro.
No, say it. No.
I can't even sleep anymore nowadays.
Now, you ready for keep it up?
Yep.
Yo, honestly, George, I'm surprised he didn't say, bro, I'm an hour ahead of you already.
No, it's too early.
He usually wakes up at 9. I mean 10.
Nah.
My
I think that's a
longest.
lie though, because
I've
he only
been-
says I've been on FIFA for an hour.
So you get the Marcus push. What are your alerts? What do you have? Just so I know.
QQQ if it gets above 601.
That's far. Okay. Yo, Nick, that's what.
Oh, man, I'm tired already.
Man.
Yeah, I gotta play the A and B breakout 164. Oh, you're not a big member. I talked about it on Saturday in our charting session. I'm not playing that till 165. That is the true top of the range on A and B currently. So,
Damn
I'm
meta.
cool with 165. I won't trade it today, but I'm for sure gonna be watching that if we get close later this week. I guess with the remaining days we have. Yo, Apple lost everything, George, that it did. $3 drops since that high. That's crazy. You know, that's someone brought up Hood. What was his at the beginning of the year?
Hood didn't do anything today though.
No, I'm saying at the beginning of the year.
Oh, I don't know.
This stock was at $40, bro.
I mean, they had a really good IPO, so
Really good IPO. They hit the nail with the prediction market stuff. It's just, we're doing better than the other competitors. Crazy.
Mumu added that too though.
Actually?
IB's adding it too. Or
IB
they
has had it for
Yeah, I was gonna
IB
say-
added it since the election.
Yeah, there we go. IB might have been one of the first.
It's just less lucrative because
Yep.
it's not a, I don't know, Hood, half Robinhood, like it has that new company.
Mumu integrated, I believe, Kalshi or Polymark, one of the two that they made a deal with. I don't know which one. Now you got a little consolidation on this. Hold up, let's see. Let me just show you guys the reality of my trading here. So, has nothing to do with you guys because I've signaled. But I went from up 12,000 today to pretty much break even. But it's fine. It is what it is. Yesterday was a 40 grand day, so it's okay. Yeah, rent is due today, Ekin, so if you'd like to help out, I'd appreciate it, brother. Real. Real.
Might be.
But when you're going,
Like so, yeah.
when you have a bias in your head and you're going for the big move, sometimes it happens, which I'm not mad about because I knew what the reward would have been, and technically my risk on the day here is just break even. So it's like I'm not mad about anything I did today. I signaled a great trade to you guys, told you guys that you should probably walk away. Most of you guys did. I saw the profits in the profits chat. So unless you were going for the big boy, then you guys did well. You did well, or you had a break even day. Doesn't matter. But
That's fine. Literally nothing.
It's just grinding. Like, what are y'all trying to play here?
Like, I understand, like, crypto's quote unquote hot because the stocks moves, but I mean, other than that, there's no real catalyst for, at least to me, levels behind it. Like, coin, I'm not trading that till 350, maybe even 352. I'm not even gonna trade that today at this point. So,
what's really nice if
See,
it's
that's
my fault.
what's your name? Whoever said that 200%. Yeah, that's cool. But what I'm saying is, like, I'm personally not chasing. In my eyes, I don't see anything. Yeah, it could be moving and just rattling. That's one thing that okay is working right now. But in the long run, I've done that where I'm just like, oh yeah, man, this is pushing. I don't know why, but it's pushing, and I'm in it, and I'm up heavy, right? That's good and all, but how long is that gonna last? How long are you gonna sit there and gamble on some shit like that, you know? So long term, I'm with Frankie on this. And again, hopefully it goes to 1,000% for you, you know what I mean? So I don't wish it to die or nothing, but like,
damn, that breakout point was crazy.
it works until it doesn't, yeah, you know? I was watching 350, but yeah, I'm probably not touching that. I think the only thing left is Tesla for me.
I think, and if Tesla happens, it's gonna be a better trade than what we would have had before.
Oh, word.
I mean, look at it now.
This.
This.
I believe.
Yeah.
Trying to make it funny. That's what I'm saying, Sendero. It was a crazy breakout. Just consolidated all morning, and then finally broke at 3.5 volume, and it's not a break.
I saw someone tag me about something about Nvidia. I don't want to even look at it because I'm focused on Tesla right now. I didn't see anything on it for the downside for me, unless you're talking about like a new low for the day or something like that, which I don't play new highs and new lows. Unless there's something else with it, like a consolidation, key level, all that good stuff. You guys know the drill. Damn, I gotta fix this stream shit later. That thing hasn't been showing me the chat lately. I don't know if anything's going on there.
You're funny, huh? No?
You're what?
You're funny, huh?
About
I
what?
just saw the Instagram reel you sent her.
Instagram?
Yeah, you sent it.
Oh, yeah. I sent that yesterday.
Yeah, I just saw it.
Yo, I just seen that.
You guys send that to your thing, your friend. How? Oh, it's only 10:07. Well, what time do you guys want to give this till, or is it worth just sticking around until this thing slips?
I was gonna this shit.
It might be worth just hopping on FIFA until this gets closed and having
I
that
hate
covered.
running back and forth, bro. I almost tore a fucking Achilles on my way here the other day. Bro, I couldn't walk for the rest of the day.
Like George said, you can't have your, I mean, I know you can multitask while you're in trade, so I was gonna say, why don't you just have your laptop next to you? The setup.
No one's thinking about what to tell you with that one.
I mean, I've seen a multitask before while in a trade, even heavier positions, so it's like.
Nah, I know, but it's just like running here. Like, it's different when I have my laptop and we're on a trip. Like, you know,
Gotcha, okay.
I can just put that shit on my lap.
The laptop, right?
Yes, bro. Yes.
Alright, okay.
Fucking Mikey comes back.
Maki does that, and then he it's the slick stuff, and then I do the stuff with Maki, and then he gets mad at me.
You can't talk to us no more, huh?
Yeah.
260.
No, the issue is, well, look, I at least
What's
wait
the
half
issue?
an hour.
What's the issue, Mike?
I at least let you guys like
Look,
wake up.
Maki, Blackie, if you're gonna get in with this slick talk, just be prepared.
Oh man.
Bro, I'm trying to afford a Chanel bag today, bro. Can Tesla start moving or what?
It start shaking.
It's just very bullish for me.
George, you like 50 cents or are you still like it at 70? So I still like 70, but
I was thinking 449.30.
yeah. Is it depending
It's
on the
annoying,
candle
right?
or you just
Yeah,
like it?
depending on the candle.
Okay. Yo, that's funny, Ethan. If you know, you know.
What?
That meme you said?
Yo! Nah,
You seen that video?
yeah, that's
The guy that
sick, bro.
Oh, okay, alright, I actually got the focus.
From the 460s, right?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm not adding, so I can't signal that I'm in, but the entry's right here. Yeah, there go. Oh my god, it finally broke. Up 20 grand from break even. That's insane.
That is crazy.
Look at this. You could have scalped that and made some bread there. Yo, contracts did backflips. I just can't say I'm in because I'm not adding and I've already been in, so I have to. I obviously can't do shit like that. But, anyways, good shit, guys. Good shit.
That was a fantastic scalp.
Hell yeah.
I made 1,500 off of that.
Good shit. Where was your entry with George?
Yeah, I actually had, I was basing it off the candle. The candle was approaching, so I didn't even have to ask him. I was like,
What was the high of the stock?
The high was 50 cents.
Yeah, 450, 49.
It's
I only
going.
sold half here, ladies and gents. Sold half on the break of 450. I'm looking to sell above 451 or break even on the rest. Personally.
I'm personally down to scalp this again if we set up. For Nora and George's sake, I hope it breaks out for them. But I'm waiting for this to set up again for me to take another scalp.
Like I said, don't worry about where Nor and George are selling. Frankie already took care of that business. I couldn't signal that, so the sell. I've already said this a million times. The sell was on you, and it's still on you if you're still in. So
I'm down, Frankie. What are you looking at next? I'm down to play the high. I just need this to actually like consolidate or just again set up a little bit more. Because I'm not gonna play the high here or just play 451 on its own without it developing first.
Alright, so break even on the last one. Do a good trade. The way it broke out, I felt comfortable holding half. And again, I sold half for a profit right at the very top.
yeah, I mean we do it. You guys do it the right way. In order to find out, like you have targets, so the only way to get more is to have the right risk parameters installed and then try to go for it. So if he sold half, then he can risk holding the rest to break even or whatever the case may be. What'd you end up doing, Matt?
So,
Okay. You're looking to have a long day, huh?
yeah, seems like it.
Yo, it's cold as fuck. Guys, I'll be right back. I need to grab a hoodie just so I can focus.
I would love for this candle here, this 15-minute candle to close above 449. This close above 449, I'm gonna be very interested in the continuation here. We got 2 minutes here on this candle. Let's see what happens.
Yo, there's a 1 hour trend at 452. Just letting you know.
That gives us time at least.
Yeah, it does.
What was the high there? 35 cents. Okay. I'm gonna make my alert. Honestly, I'm just gonna make my alert 450.50. Like the earliest I would maybe get in is 45 cents.
It's getting there. Guys, I planned on holding to 455, but I don't think I can. I'm just gonna sell at 452. Or on the way to 452. I'm up 22 grand. There it
I saw
goes.
everything on the 451 break myself here from the scalp.
Yeah, you should get a nice move there.
Now I'm gonna sell for like 5% red. We'll see. This is like a 1-to-1 trade for me, so. I got it right there. I lost 600 on that. Being chilling.
Yeah, I remember I've been in earlier than everybody because I've been in since the first signal.
Lost 600 on that. I was up, I think, what there at the peak? It's 7. So I was like up like 900. Yeah, pretty 1-to-1 trade. For me at least.
It would have been technically like a 2-to-1 if it broke.
If it broke, yeah, it would have gone stupid for sure. George, we did get the bounce on Meta.
Yo, if Tesla goes straight from here to 450.50, that's an entry for everyone. 450.50, that's an entry. Just letting you guys know. If this goes in this candle, it has 13 seconds left. Yeah, this is going to be an entry if it breaks that 450.50. I would set an alert there if you guys want to scout. You just need a power candle into that. It's going to take out that high immediately. And then that 1 hour trend leads it to 452, which I wouldn't recommend that. So you only got like $1.50 of room realistically. There it goes. Watch times and sales. That's going to give you better answers than this chart. Do not look at the chart. Either have an alert, look at level 2, look at times and sales.
I have an alert for Meta if that ever gets close, so. Jorge.
Alright, I'm watching Tesla still here, so let me know if that gets close.
I got you. Yeah, we're pretty far now, so.
Yo, just be ready because I'm going to get rid of this soon. All right, we crossed 50. Let's see what it does here. Oh, market's pushing at the same time. If it did it on that same candle, that was an automatic entry right there. 450.50. Yo, look at QQQ. Maki, you got anything on there?
Not until 61.
Okay.
That is fine. Tesla, I have a kilo 451.15. It's right above that.
Beautiful. That's exactly where I was planning to sell. Look at this. Watch times in sales and level 2. Those are only two things. Oh my god. There it goes.
Wow.
Oh my god.
I didn't take that one. I was just watching. That's crazy.
Alright, guys. Selling half. Bink. Like I said, there's a 1 hour trend here. Do not be dumb. If you think you're...
Like, so I'll add on to that. Nor can do whatever he wants, right? Like, he's not gonna tell you guys when he's selling, but he's been giving you.
I'll tell you that I'm trying... I sold. I'm all out. I'm up $27,000 for the day. Done.
Hey. Okay.
I'm all done.
That's a crazy breakout, bro.
Beautiful. Alright. Like I said, I would love to hold for that 1 hour trend, but if history is telling me over and over again we continue to reject there, why wouldn't I listen to history? Alright, now I can obviously wait here and just play 455. It is what it is. I wanted to hold the 455, but it is what it is. Plus, it's a 1 hour trend, so technically, it is very much possible that this closes below, but based on this fucking candle, I think we're fucking off to the races. It is what it is, though. I'm out.
Alright, how about 455 though?
Yeah, I'll be there for that. I'm here.
Okay. Maybe in 454 if we set up. I don't think we're getting that one. George, you with it?
Yeah.
What are you gonna fucking sit? You like Benji, bro.
I just got out there.
See, bro, I don't like that.
So, I'm saying though,
I
always
only
next
have five contracts, bro.
I don't care that's... Wow.
Wow. See now? That's
That's the
just
way.
Alright, yo, are we playing this, yes or no?
Yes, I need to
I'm with it. I'm with it.
Alright, you got your fucking pullback. That's the only pullback you're probably gonna get.
75 or what are we talking about here, North?
Yeah, somewhere around there, bro. I'm in. I'm just scalping. If you're up nicely for the day, call it a day, bro.
That is good advice. A lot of y'all should take that up.
I'm just mad that I didn't fucking hold, bro. 455 was my fucking target. I'm a fucking loser. Who the fuck is this calling me? Yo, Rico, I'm gonna call you back, gang. Bro. What's up with you, bro? Disrespected me, calling me during market hours. Alright, guys, I'm gonna hit my stop pretty soon because I can always play 455 again. So if this doesn't happen here soon, I'm out.
I hit my stop there.
Alright.
I am willing to retry this again.
I just hit mine right there.
This actual pullback here might make it even better though.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Jared. Really did, Jared, huh?
I can't believe it, bro. I said 4. I blame the fucking chat. The vibes just aren't there.
Now you got Rafiki crying over there.
Yeah, bro, he's trying to break down the door. He keeps knocking on the door.
I will retry this at 70 cents. I will try this one more time as well. So, I'm not sure about you guys.
Bro, just let this shit break, bro.
Alright, my bad.
Market's falling. We just need market to have one. Yeah, there we go. It's ready, guys. 65 on the ask is that time again. I'm not even gonna signal this. I'm just gonna talk over it.
I don't think this one you can. I think it'll be too quick.
Yeah, some people are on fucking Robinhood and shit.
I told them Ron retried it. So.
You could play this, Matt, or no? Alright.
Ready, green?
There it goes. 50. If I see 65 and we don't rip right through, then I'm passing on this. I'm just gonna get out. We're at 55, 60. Okay, there we go. It has to go straight through or I'm out. We just got there. So dumb.
There you
Oh
go.
my god!
Go.
I sold half.
Okay.
I sold half.
I sold everything right there.
Yeah. I plan on selling the rest here. I'm not even gonna hold 30K day officially. Give me the 50 cent level, guys. Once I see 50 on the ask. Oh, there it goes. I'm out. What the fuck?
Contracts?
I'm $60 off of 30K for the day, bro. I played the same
I'll send it
contract.
to you. I got you.
It made us fucking work today, bro.
It was fun though. This wasn't as hard as like other times.
I
Where,
pulled
like,
back was rough.
you think so?
Yeah. I was down like 20.
But did you sell half the first time?
No.
That's why.
Yeah.
I sold half, so I didn't feel the pullback. The worst that it got to was like negative 2K for the day after I was up 12. All right. Profits in the profits chat. I'm done. We finally broke out on Tesla.
No, I got a question. If
What's
you're down
up?
to answer it.
Talk to me.
So I know you've been really biased on Tesla once it breaks 450.
Yes, bro.
Why was it a 1 hour trend that like made you want to sell?
Because of the type of market, because QQQ can dictate how that goes at that 1 hour trend. Because if QQQ does the same shit we've been doing every day and we continue to pull back, then I'm going to get the rejection even though Tesla's strong. Because Tesla, it doesn't have to happen today, it doesn't have to happen yesterday, it doesn't have to happen tomorrow. It could just happen on Friday once the market just gets their shit together, you know?
Yeah.
So that 1 hour trend, it has more meaning than a 5 minute trend, 15. That's a bigger time frame trend there. Even though it's not a 4 hour 1 year, you know, but it still means a lot.
Yeah. The weight of the trend. I got
Yeah.
you. Got it.
So yesterday and today I'm up 70 grand. And then Monday I made 2 grand. So we're at like 72,000 for the week. It's good way to start October.
Great way to start October.
Can I get a Chanel back too?
Today I'm actually going to buy a Birkin today.
No, so I want a Birkin, bro.
Hey yo, see if you can. Are you really?
Yeah. Oh yeah. You
I'm
need.
all from mom's.
Alright, bet. Even if I can only get one, you can have it.
Huh?
Even if I can only get one for retail, you can have it.
I bet.
They're worth.
Send me the.
They're at like 10 racks, but they're worth like 30 aftermarket, like resale value.
Yeah. Let me
Nah, but your mom owes though.
Another rack.
That means I get to sleep over for the rest of the year.
No, you got the house over here, cuz.
La-
Ooh, I got everything.
Last time George made me sleep in the garage when I visited him.
That's crazy.
Yo.
George, you met my mom?
Huh?
Have you met my mom?
Nah, just your pops.
Oh yeah, you met my pops. Facts.
OG.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We was enjoying a cigar.
Oh yeah.
That was a nice cigar there, bro.
Yeah.
Was it the Blondie? I don't remember.
I don't remember. I haven't smoked one since then, I think. Ah, feels good to be done. How does it feel, guys? Feels good to be done?
You wanna do a Q&A with the herbs?
Yeah, let's do 5 minutes of Q&A with the herbs, and then we'll call it a day here.
And then we'll hop on FIFA for a bit.
Yeah. Yo, I've been waiting for this fucking wire to hit. Hold up, be right back.
Q3 deliveries. Not a chance. Not a chance.
How is that possible, bro?
Man, catch up.
Man, catch up, bud. Bye.
I see NVIDIA, bro. I think I'm done. I'm not touching that shit.
Oh, yeah, I gotta get up.
Right. You know?
Yo, I'm not talking to Discord. Yo, YouTube, Twitch, wherever you're watching the stream, the Discord is free today. That's the only time I promote it. You can pull up here, click the link in the bio somewhere, and just join up. I'm gonna end the stream, and then I will still be in Discord.
Hopefully none of y'all took coin at 350.